Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. Now folks, if you have seen those videos or footage of the Mini Cooper versus the Fiat 500 crashing against the wall, both of those cars looks terrible after a crash, especially the Fiat 500. But that isn't going to be enough to determine which one is better, which is why we are going to give you the analysis of those crash tests. But before we jump into the analysis, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Now, let's just get right into the analysis folks. These small cars with cute design and some fuel economy is basically dead right now. It's just SUV and crossover everywhere. Which only makes sense that Mini Cooper is currently developing their mini SUV. What about the Fiat? With the Fiat brand, I can't even think of a scenario where Fiat creates an SUV. I mean, the idea of a mini SUV alone is quite odd actually. But I don't really know, I guess we'll see it later. For now, let's just get right into the analysis. As usual, we also use the same crash report test from the IIHS organizations, starting from the top. As you can see here folks, the Mini Cooper seems to outrun the Fiat 500 in terms of crashworthiness, and also on crash and avoidance mitigations. That just brought us to the conclusion. The conclusion is the Mini just beats the Fiat 500. Absolutely no competitions. That is probably due to the overall size of this car. I mean, have you seen a Fiat 500 before? It's almost as big as those kids' toys that their parents used to push them around the supermarkets. I mean, I can't even imagine what a side impact with a Fiat 500 would look like. I'm pretty sure it's quite bad. There you have it folks, the Mini Cooper versus the Fiat 500. If you have requests on any car that you want to see the comparison of, let me know by leaving a comment down below. See you folks!